So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a brand new Rinnai water heater. This is the RE series. I think they came out about a year ago, maybe 2022. Could have been 2021, but this is the latest offering at Rinnai. So these are the most up-to-date versions of the water heater. We like them. They're lightweight. The other water heaters that we install, they're pretty heavy, but Rinnai, we've been setting these since probably the year 2000. Sorry about the fan coming on there. Anyways, we had an old Nords in there. It's about 157,000 BTU. We put in this 160, which is 160,000 BTU, so about the same as far as performance. Max with heating water to 120, you probably need about 4.5 gallons a minute, which will run 2 showers easily at the same time, and then maybe even doing the laundry. Down here, first thing we did is cold water was stubbed out. What we did is we just took that apart and hard piped it up to the cold portion of a Webstone isolation valve kit, which is which you use for flushing. Then on the hot side, we just went to a press fitting here, and then a Falcon stainless steel connector, because this side is not under pressure, does not require to have a valve. That's the shutoff valve for the cold water to the unit, the yellow one. The blue and the red are for flushing, and we'll send you a video about that, how to shut these two yellow valves down. That isolates the unit, and then open up the hot and the cold and run vinegar through this thing once a year to keep it nice and clean. We reused your existing gas line, just put that back in, so nice full 3/4 inch inside diameter gas line, that's good. Hooked your electrical right back up, nice little pigtail and a swing, flexible swing over to the unit, so that's tight back in, which is good. Set to 120. You can raise the temperature. I recommend leaving it at 120. And of course, the hot side, you got your relief valve there, so that's 150,000 BTU or 200,000 BTU relief valve. Pressure only, no temperature, because it doesn't hold water. And then a little pipe down there. So anyway, sorry about the noise there. That's the air conditioner, the condensing unit running right there. But if you do go and get this registered, they're going to give you 4 additional years of labor, so they're going to get 5 years of labor total, and that is a gold mine right there. The most expensive thing on these units are having a plumber work on them. Parts really aren't that expensive, but anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.